recently posted strong earnings with a 15% spike in trading, driven by key investments in Gen AI and a robust client use case. To dive deeper into their performance and what's next for the company, we are joined now by WNS CEO Keshav Murugesh. Thanks for being with us today.
Pleasure, Trinity. Thank you.
So WNS reported steady revenue growth and an improvement in operating margin for Q3, 2024. So talk to me about the key factors that contributed to this operational efficiency, and how do you plan to sustain or further enhance margins in the coming quarters?
Well, first of all credit to my wonderful team across the world. They have focused completely on just one thing, and that's the client. So if you look at the overall financial performance of the company, first and foremost, we grew 3.2% constant currency sequentially this quarter, which is outstanding. Our operating margin came in at about 19.2% against 18.6% last quarter. We generated significant cash once again. We are on target to spend about $60 million in terms of CapEx, across the whole year. And more importantly, we've got almost 7 new clients that have been signed up during this quarter. So all of it augurs extremely well for the future. And in terms of just the future, our guidance continues to remain very, very strong. And the implied guidance that we have issued once again recognizes the fact that we should see sequential growth in Q4 as well. And we are quite confident about our prospects for 2026. In fact, I've signaled high single digit to potentially double digit growth for the next year based on continuing this momentum and performance.
And WNS has really positioned itself as a trusted partner through its end-to-end domain expertise. Can you give some real-life examples on how this deep understanding of client industries has directly influenced revenue growth or helped clients achieve transformative outcomes?
First and foremost, we signed up on this mantra a few years ago that domain specialism is the key reason why clients would want to work with us. The reality is, you can go to the market and look for a provider that can help you just reduce cost and become a little more efficient. But it's difficult to find a partner who understands not just your business domains very well, but more importantly, is constantly investing in creating sub-vertical knowledge, as a result of which they are working with not just yourself, but many other players in your segment are constantly learning and therefore coming to the table with conversations and innovative new ideas that are new for a client. And this, I would say, is the most important kind of differentiation of the company. And backing all of this is a very strong investment in technology and disruptive technologies. So, for example, Gen AI is an area that we have been investing in, constantly creating a number of POCs, and all of this has resulted in a very, very strong momentum for us. And finally, I must say, looking at expanding across new service offerings, new geographies has worked very well for us. As I mentioned earlier, 7 new clients signed up, without counting the number of clients that we are probably signing up on new disruptive technologies. If I added that, it would be much more. And we have expanded our relationships with 52 of our existing clients as well. So we're seeing broad-based demand on digital-led businesses, transformation-led businesses, as well as cost reduction businesses, which is core to our clients.
And with over 22,000 employees trained in AI and Gen AI capabilities, WNS has demonstrated a strong commitment to talent development too. So how has this investment in training and strategic partnerships really enhanced your ability to deliver value to clients and differentiate yourself from other competitors currently on the market?
We saw that already the way the company came back very strongly in Q3. I think, like I said, I led with the fact that, it is because of our employee base that the company is so successful. And what actually is the secret sauce there is the fact that while a lot of players looked at this whole Gen AI journey as being, something that was starting as a bit of a hype, what we looked at as at this particular journey or this technology is that this was something that was going to be significantly disruptive. It was going to be critical for us to learn it, and it was going to be very important for us to teach our people, these models, and therefore we've trained close to 22 or 25,000 people just to use this technology to be more efficient in their day-to-day businesses while we build out new POCs, create new relationships with new technology kind of providers. And to do all of this and train our people, we've actually done some fantastic partnerships with Oxford University, Cornell, LinkedIn University, and many other universities, as a result of which, as people work at WNS, they're constantly learning, they're constantly upping their game, and they're becoming more and more relevant, not just to us, but to every one of our clients and our shareholders.
Well, we really appreciate you taking the time to come on the show today to tell us more about it. Again, WNS CEO Keshav Murugesh, thank you for joining us.
Thank you very much.